Good afternoon, photography class. This is Mr. McCarthy, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a contact sheet. Now, we're not renaming the photos on the contact sheet yet or in Bridge. We are just simply creating a contact sheet. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, go ahead and open up Adobe Bridge. I am in it now. And the second thing you want to do is find the folder that your photos are in. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and we're going to use Jazzly's photos as we did in the previous class period. So I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, I'm currently in Essentials, so I'm going to go to Output, and then an output preview is going to come up. Okay, so this is a 5x8 contact sheet, and you have the opportunity to change that to appropriate sizes. Okay, looking at the selections here, I think 5x8 is a good number, or in this case, maybe 4x5. Okay, you're being asked to turn in 10 photos today. Those are your shadow photos. I'm going to go with a 4x5. In my case, because there are more photos on here, I will go with the 5x8. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select one photo, and then I'm going to select them all by going to Command A. And from there, I'm simply going to drag up, and that will fill the individual thumbnail spaces on this contact sheet. All right. As soon as you have those on there, go ahead down here, export to PDF. And then for your shadow photos today, it should be your last name, underscore first initial, shadow photos, plural. Okay, and then the PDF will apply. And then go ahead and click Save. Okay, and here it is. All right, so what I'd like you to do is turn this in, again, with your name on the file, to Teacher Dropbox. And the other portion of this assignment, of course, is your Google Slides presentation. Don't forget to share that with mccarthy.j@monet.k12.ca.us. Thanks, folks. Have a good day. Mr. McCarthy, sign off.